Okay, I got this indicator here at a local pawn shop for a little over $100. It means I got to use it, but it actually is kind of handy. I'm dialing it in on the shoulder here, so I'll give it a try. Get it in gear. I don't know if I'm making it worse or better. I'll try this. Okay, I'm watching the small hand and it made it better. I'll try the knee here. Well, try the x-axis again. I guess you flip this around. That part's a little rough. Okay, I'm going to work on the knee here. I'm going to try the table a little more. Now go the other direction. Oh, got it back up. Okay, that's looking pretty good, really. Oh, they made it worse. Looks like that's about as good as it's gonna get. But that's pretty good. Yeah, not gonna get it better that way. Working on the x-axis again. Now try the knee. Up. You know, somewhere in there is about as good as it's going to get. Okay, I'll drill that thing. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to try to spot drill that thing with a combination center drill. I'm going to kick it on. That American rotary converter really starts this machine up with a snap. It's 5 horsepower. Okay, I'm going to start running some drills through that and get that out. That piece is a little bit hard. We'll see how that goes. Okay, this drill bit that I touched up with the stone the other day. I can't actually remember what I used it for. But I got this crank lever working on the small end. I got the other end leveled and it's fixtured in wet. So, let's see how this goes. twice with the vertical mill, this is a little bit different. Threaded in there and it was not going to come out. I'm going to make custom handle for it to match the other handle from the Axelson. Here I'm coming through it. Spring loose. All right, I guessed that size perfectly. 9/16. All right. I'm going to pull it out of there. Get over here. I hope you're having a good Saturday. That lead, see what it does? It just went right into it. Ooh, it's hot on that end. I'll pull it around here. Yeah, see? Now I'm going to press a piece in here and braze it. And it's got to have a 7/8 hole with an 1/8 inch key. And then I'll hand shape a handle for this that'll match the tailstock wheel handle on the Axelson. Okay. Back with more later. Hey, I have yet another piece of lead. And always remember to wash your hands after handling this. And I'm going to form it on this handle here. Let me get it kind of around. I'm just going to push it in. Do it from the top. I like to kind of stick a piece of it down in there. See a distinct end. Okay. Pushing it down now, wrapping it around. This is how we're looking here. I'm not bend it too much. See how it's looking. It's just got to be rough, you know. I'm going to take, I'll show you what I'll do here, just to make it easy on myself. I think I've got it. Okay. So let's look down here. That's the best I could do for you. Let's see if you can see what I'm going to do here. Well, we kind of sprung it a little bit, that's okay. Add a little bit more there. I think I'll try to get it right here too. There's the end. Okay. Yeah, I like that one better. So I'll transfer that to a piece of thin plywood and cut it out on my scroll saw. Oh, here we are. Now here's the lever here, the clutch forward, reverse. Now this machine has a reverse gear, so it actually operates like a Monarch 10EE, but totally mechanical, where neutral's a brake, that's reverse, brake, forward. So this lever goes down, clear through the headstock, down through a push rod, and all this stuff, see that knuckle there? Then it moves the rod here, then get the carriage over. Then through bevel gears. See that's this hex rod here. Then through bevel gears, it works this, see? So I'm going to put this lever here, and that'll facilitate operating forward and reverse from the apron. It'll be a lot nicer for tapping and cutting threads and other things. So I'm getting close. Okay, I'll be back.